Cardi B abruptly ends her live after shortness of breath from an earlier run.
All right. I'm gonna wash my ass. I already took a shower. Just have me exercising, running laps and shit. I almost had a fucking asthma. Just don't understand that I have fucking asthma. I already took a shower, right? I feel like I'm gonna smell like all this crab. Watch some Netflix. I know it's kind of early, but I'm kind of sleepy. All that extra fucking running around and shit. My fat ass.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I can't take it no more, y'all. I can take it off. Oh, sorry. Alright, so. Oh, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. Whoa. I'll call you back.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.